Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into everything new in MIUI 14, Xiaomi's latest and greatest update packed with over 40 exciting features. Whether you're a long-time Xiaomi user or new to MIUI, there's something here for everyone. So let's get started. MIUI 14 brings a fresh new look and host of enhancements designed to make your Xiaomi device even more powerful and intuitive. From enhanced customization options to improved performance and security, Xiaomi has packed this update with a lot of goodies. First up, let's talk about the redesigned user interface. It introduces a cleaner and more refined look with smoother animations and a focus of minimalism. Icons have been updated for a more modern feel, and the overall UI is designed to be easier on the eyes. 3. Enhanced customization. Customization lovers rejoice. MIUI 14 offers even more ways to personalize the device. You can now choose from a wider range of themes, wallpapers, and icon packs. 4. Improved performance. Performance improvements are also a big part of MIUI 14. Xiaomi has optimized the system to be faster and more responsive, whether you're launching apps, multitasking, or gaming. Expect smoother performance across the board. 5. Privacy and security features. Security is paramount, and MIUI 14 introduces several new features to keep your data safe. Enhanced app permissions give you more control over what data can access. And there are new privacy settings for things like location tracking and camera access. 6. AI enhancements. Artificial enhancements plays a big role in MIUI 14, from AI-powered battery management to smart suggestions in apps like the calendars and notes. 7. Camera and multimedia improvements. If you're into photography or multimedia, you'll appreciate the improvements in MIUI. There are new camera modes and enhancements to image processing that improve quality picture in various lighting conditions. Plus, multimedia apps have been optimized for better playback and streaming performance. 8. Productivity features. For those who use the Xiaomi device for work or study, MIUI 14 has several productivity features to offer. From a revamped file manager with better organization options to improved multitasking. Xiaomi wants to make your life easier when getting things done on your phone. 9. Connectivity and IoT integration. Xiaomi continues to expand its ecosystem, and MIUI 14 includes better integration with IoT devices. Control your smart home gadgets more seamlessly from your phone with improved connectivity options for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. In conclusion, MIUI 14 is a substantial update that brings a lot to the table for Xiaomi users. With a redesigned UI, enhanced customization, improved performance, and a focus on privacy and security, Xiaomi is setting a high bar for smartphone operating systems. And that wraps up our overview of MIUI 14 and its 40 plus new features. Which feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.